Good morning everybody. Today I am telling cube roots part 2. Before I am telling part 2, I want to revise you what happened in part 1. Okay? In part 1, we have discussed about cubes, cube roots and some examples. Now I am not going to tell that examples. I am just going to revise cubes and cube roots. Cubes means into 3. Any number into 3 times we will that answer there is a cube of that number. Okay, so I want to give you an example. 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 are 25. Into 5 is 125. So 125 is the cube of 5. Now, what are cube roots? Cube roots are nothing but 27382 is there. Now, 27382. We needed to find the question of this answer. Okay, we need to find the question. Now, here we have an example, right? So, this is my own sum. Okay, so for this, I am going to do I will get one answer. So, that answer is the cube root for this answer. Okay, so one important thing in this number, okay, in Abacus and Chemistry, in this number, one important thing is that I'm gonna tell. Now, normally how we will solve? We will solve 27382 is there. Now, we will underline, not underline, we will just take off the last 3 digits. The last 3 digits are 382. We take off. Now, and the remaining number is 27. So, where is 27 in this table? Most importantly, again I am repeating that we need to remember this table very well. Okay. So, now, here 27 is there. Let's find out where is 27. Here is the 27 number. Now, 3. As this is in third position, we will take here 3. If it is 30, means we needed to take in between of 3 and 4. So here, and what's the smaller number we need to solve? Okay. Now let's take this again last number to get the answer. The last number is 2. So, if we will get 2, we need to write 8. 7 means 3. 3 means 7, 8 means 2. I have said you. This is also very important. Okay. Now, 2 means we write 8. Okay. Now, I am going to tell one important thing that you need to remember, so that you won't get further mistakes or anything. Okay, doubts. Now, 38 into 38 into 38 is equals. Normally, I have said you that if we will take any number for that cube root, for that answer, if we will multiply that answer 3 times, we will get this answer. I said you. But in this case, if we will take our own sums, we will get some mistakes. Not mistakes, I will tell you one thing, that if who has Abacus books, in books, like that they give correct questions. But if we will take our own, we could solve that process, but the answer which we will get won't relate to this. For this answer 5, 7, 3, 8, like that, one answer will come. But that is not equal to this. Again I am telling with one more example. That's also my note. 3, 7, 8, 2, 8, 7. This is my own sum. So, now I will underline the last 3 digits. Okay, let's this sum. Here underline the last 3 digits and keep them separate. 78. Where is 78 in this table? 4 and 5. Now we will write 4. And the last number is 7. So 7, if we will get, we need to write 3. It's 43. I am telling now, I don't know that the 43 into 43 into 43 will come this number. In few cases, we will get the right number. But in 80%, we won't get the correct number. Like this, 38 into 38 into 38 is not is equals to 27382. It's not is equals to. But the cube root of 27382 is 38. It is the correct cube root, but we won't get the answer. That's one point. If we will take our own books, means we will get the correct one. So this is one important thing which I want to tell you. Okay? Now, I will take the bigger numbers, son. Okay. Now, we will take the bigger numbers. First, we have taken 5 digits. Now, we will take 6-digit number. First, we will start with this one. Okay. 1, 5, 7, 4, 6, 4. This is 6 digit. 1, 5, 7, 4, 6, 4. Now, what we will do? We needed to take out the last 3 numbers. Now, we will get 1, 5, 7. Some of the children, few, will do at a 5 digit we have taken. The leftover is only 2 numbers, right? If we take out 3 numbers from 5 numbers, we will only get 2 numbers. So in 6 digits also we will do like that only. 4 numbers they will take it off and 2 numbers they will do. That's wrong method. So, few people, not everybody. I'm not pointing out it. Okay. But we needed to take the last 3 numbers 1, 4, 6, 4 and we need to keep it separate. Okay. Now 157. 157. Now let us see here if there is exactly 157 or in between 157 is there. If in between we need to take the smaller number. If 3 and 4 means we need to take 3, 5 and 6 means 5. Okay. Now 1, 5, 7. 157. Let's see. Where is 157 between? It is 5 and 6. So what we will take? We will take the smaller number which is 5. Now 5. Now let's take the last number. Last number is 4. Now as I have said you 2 and 8, 7 and 3 and 4 and 6 like that many big friends will be. So 4 big friend is 6, so we will write here 6. Is that correct? No. As 4 big friend is 6 also, anything also we will write 4 only because only this space we will take. I have said you. Okay. So 54 is the answer. And one more important thing is that this I am taking in book. So that the 54 into 54 into 54 will get this answer. But first sum I have said you that it will come wrong, but the cube root is correct. Okay. Now let's do this sum. 195112. What's the cube root of this? The cube root is 112. We need to take away, as I have said you, last 3 digits. Some people will think last 3 digits means these 3 digits. No, the last 3 digits means right side last 3 digits. 1 stands on this last 3 digits. We need to remove. The remaining number, which is 195. Let us check it out in which it is in between of. Again, it is in between of 5 and 6, and we will take 5. Now, the last number is 2. So, 2, what we will write? 8. Okay. 58. Now 58 is the cube root of 195112. See how I am spelling it is 54 is the cube root of 1. So now I have explained you cube roots, right? Now you even see part 3. I will tell that zeros. In zeros, so many numbers will be confused. So see that before now, if you will see the cube like this one number, you need to fastly calculate that 3 digits. We need to side 195, and you need to remember this table. 195 is in 5, 6, 5, 8, like that. You need to do fastly a quick calculation. Even if you are not in Abacus also, you could do while seeing that number and remembering this table and even these 2 points. You